I wanted to show this to you. This is a piece of drawing paper which I had placed on my plate overnight. And I think you can see this on camera. These are the oil stains. And this just shows you how saturated the plate is with oil, even if it doesn't have this shiny oil slick. All the oil is hiding in the surface of the gel plate. So I think it's important to keep the plate oiled frequently so it performs well. So here is the inner box. More packing material. Now I know why it's heavy. These are a pint. These bottles are a pint each, and that's why they're heavy. This is metallic copper, and I think this will last me a while because it's a good hefty quantity. This is burnt sienna, one of the colors that I love to use. This is turquoise. This is metallic brass, one of my favorite metallic colors. This is something new. This is fluorescent orange. I think this will be cool in some applications. That should wake up the print. This is chrome orange pint. So this is the equivalent of cadmium red light. This is titanium white. It's a staple I use, and it's always good to have a lot of mixing white to create different shades of color. This is deep yellow. It's like a deep chrome yellow. And lastly, I have Mars Black, another staple to have, because in a lot of my prints, the backbone or the foundation of the print is black. So there you have it. As I was saying, if you can find inexpensive art materials that are of good quality, that would help you a lot in making art and helping you on your journey of discovery. So anyway, I hope you liked this short unboxing video. Can't wait to try these guys. and I hope to see you next time.